Birds of Prey is a thoroughly enjoyable movie and a great continuation of Harley Quinn's story from Suicide Squad. In the film, we are treated to Harley's hangover cure, which is a fried egg, bacon and cheese sandwich. It looks to be on a toasted ciabatta roll that is dripping with melted butter. It has 2 slices of melted cheese, a dash of hot sauce, 2 fried eggs but with the yolk still runny, and the bacon is well cooked but it's still chewy. Just looking at this image gets my saliva flowing, so let's jump in and make this. We start by liberally coating the roll in melted butter. This is your first sign in how much of an artery blocker this sandwich is going to become. We'll then cook 2 slices of bacon to absolute perfection. Now 2 eggs cracked together. Unfortunately, I'm not skilled enough to do a double single-handed egg crack like the chef in the movie though. Add a little bit of water to the hot plate and cover the eggs with a lid. The steam will help to cook the whites. Once the whites are no longer translucent, add 2 slices of cheese. We just want a small dab of hot sauce because, as Harley says it, we still want to taste that cheese. Combine all the elements together with the bacon on the bottom and the egg and cheese on top. This is a sandwich deserving of a cross-section. Oh, I love a runny yolk. Simple but delicious. The hint of hot sauce just brightens up the flavour. The dense bread in the roll soaks up the egg yolk excellently, so you're not ending up with drips down your arm. You can really taste the cheese and it does a great job of sealing everything together. You wouldn't want to eat one of these every morning, but if you wake up hungover from a night of poor decisions, this is what I would be craving.